guys, welcome back to the Play Highway. Today we are going to be showing you how to build a sliding glass door in Minecraft. It will look like this. It needs a little redstone below it so it looks good. And this is a demonstration of it. Actually, let's build glass.
Hi,
and then,
I'm here too.
Yep, that's Promo.
Whoever, yeah,
Wow,
Promo.
she built the house fast.
Yeah,
Just
she
kidding.
I know,
Built-
I've been working.
Yeah, she's viewing this house and it is her birthday, so everybody wishes her birthday and every like is one birthday present. So make sure you get likes for this burger boy thing. And make sure to have lots of support for her because I love her.
And it's my birthday.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to give you a sneak peek at the redstone.
Yes.
It's just right down here. And
Hello there. So yeah, it's just like right from sticky to so he is going to teach me how to do it because I have no idea how to do it. Okay. So come over
okay,
here.
I'm just going to place that stuff back because
Okay.
you can't see the put that back here.
Okay, so he's just gonna walk me through. So, what blocks do I need? So I need.
You're going to need. I just have this extra block.
You can use any block you want. I'm just gonna use block of quartz
So you-
because I recommend.
You can use any kind of block for like the sliding door part, but I think glass looks best.
Yes,
I'm
love
gonna use
glass.
glass.
I love.
So you're going to need any block of your choice. That's going to be the door, the sliding door, pressure plate,
Yes. you are-
redstone torch,
Okay, so
oak wood planks, sticky piston. Well, you don't need oak wood planks. I just have that for some
sticky
reason.
piston and redstone torch, redstone and
So you're going to need redstone torch, sticky piston, one block of your choice, a pressure plate,
and glass. If you were making a glass.
if you're making a glass door.
Use glass.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we are going to start melting it. You are going to need to build one.
And one recommendation, do not use glass panes because they will not work. They will just break in the process. If you don't believe me, try it out for yourself. It will not work. I do not recommend it. So you can use any glass. You can use any glass.
And another thing, it looks horrible.
Yes, it does look horrible.
So
You can
you're
use
going
the
to.
stained glasses too, but I'm just going to use the clear glass because I recommend it.
I'm going to use. So you have to have a 2x3 hole 2 deep, 2 things deep.
2 blocks
As a
deep.
flat world.
Yes, you dig 2 blocks deep.
And then
2 by
you place
6.
redstone all below it.
Yeah, you
Like
place redstone just like that. All below. And then you want
And then okay. And you're going to need 1, 2. If y'all don't see that, actually, not that yet. So you're going to with the middle thing, you look out, dig 2 deep, and then place and then dig 1 down, like that. And then you place a redstone
two
torch.
blocks out and then go and then.
So this is what it looks like right now. Can you get
Yeah,
another
this
one?
is what it.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like right now.
It doesn't look like much, but I promise you it'll look exactly like that. Spider, get out of the sliding door. Skeleton, do whatever you do.
Can you get that spider away? Get the spider away.
Ah, wait, hold on. Excuse my manners. I hate spiders in real life and in
Why are you in the Twitch? Sorry, it's okay. Then you're going to place the block of your choice, and then place redstone on top of it.
Yes, that's what he said.
Then the same thing on the other side. Let's get closer to it. And then the same thing on the other side.
Yes, that is what. So just a little demonstration of what he's doing.
And then now you are going to place sticky pistons on each side too.
And don't worry, it's supposed to come out like that. So if you're like, oh, should these be out?
Yeah,
Don't worry, they should be out.
They should be
like
out.
that.
Yes. And then place glass in between them.
Just like that, or any block of your choice.
And then put blocks right here.
If you want to cover up those other ones, well, let's say you're doing a little presentation, this would be perfect because you can see the redstone and how to make this. So if you're doing a presentation, confused. We get pregnant. And yes, I'm in
Yeah.
Excuse that. That was my dad. I'm so sorry.
What's that?
Okay, then you place blocks all over.
Okay.
Okay, what he's doing is he's basically trying to make it look beautiful to cover up all those. Now, if you want to use blocks to cover up those sticky pistons, and like I just said, for a presentation, using glass would be perfect, and it'd be also really great. Alright, so we're just going to place those pressure plates right there. Like,
You just did this, and then
And boom.
and you don't see the redstone, but in my other one, it. Oh my gosh!
I am back.
oh,
Oh my gosh! You.
and yes, that will be a glitch. I am.
Guys, do you want to check out my house that I'm
No,
working
sir.
on?
Not
Yes,
yet.
we are.
Not yet.
We are.
Oh, you just broke the piston, man.
Oh my gosh! I'll place it back.
I'm sorry about that.
We're trying to shoot.
Yes, we get very eager. So that won't be happening, but do not stay like this because as you can see me, I get stuck in the glass.
Like whenever
You can just walk out, but it's very annoying because it slows you down. And I recommend just running through it. and
But
it's
but
really
like if you just do this, you can walk through it without.
yes, and it's fine. But if you like walk like this and you just like slow, you'll just get stuck in it. It'll slow you down. You can't go in the middle. It's very annoying. Same with all the things.
And if you delete one block of glass, it glitches.
Yes,
That's
if you
a-
delete one block of glass, the whole thing.
I'll show you. I'll show you that one piece. I just died. Well, I don't die. No, I'm supposed to break the glass.
There's so many mobs in my house.
Move out off of the thing.
You're on the thing.
Okay, now I'm okay. Let's just go. That is the video for today. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications to see when more videos come out. Bye. And remember, yes, we'll have to check out her house. And remember, every like is one birthday wish / present for my sister. Oh, and yes, her house is very incredible. Great job, Cindy. Also, one round of applause. You can enter a like for that. Yes, like Blaze is doing. Do that in real life and share this with your friends. I hope you enjoyed so much, and I hope this was very helpful. I love you guys so much. Goodbye. Bye.